Phemex registration, how to set up your account with Phemex. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to register your account, how to set it up for Google Authenticator so your account is safe, and how to do the KYC procedures, the Know Your Customer procedures that most financial institutions require before you can start using their site. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button, clicking the notification button, and selecting all. Also, if you haven't set up your Phemex account yet, we'd also really appreciate it if you'd use our affiliate link down below. All proceeds from affiliate commissions on this channel, or if you make donations to the channel, goes to support infrastructure projects in our conscious community we're developing here in Costa Rica. It really helps us provide a lot of jobs and needed resources in the local area. So we greatly thank you for your support. This channel was set up as a fundraiser for that initiative. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down below this video, select Show More, and find the link to sign up for an account on Phemex and click that. Where you type in your email, and please use DENXR as the invitation code, then click Create Account. They're then going to send you an email with a 6-digit verification code that you will have to click in here to confirm that email so that your account goes live. When you first sign up with Phemex, the very first page it's going to take you to is the How to Deposit Money page. And it gives you two options. You can deposit crypto using the normal means of transferring crypto, where you use a blockchain address, or you can actually buy crypto on the Phemex site using a credit card or via a bank transfer. We'll go through these options in a little greater detail in our future video on how to deposit onto Phemex. Before you start really using the site, you're going to need some security verifications. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Account tab and select Security. Now you should have already set up a password when you set up your account, so you should be fine there. But the next thing you want to do is set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, in order for your account to be more secure. Anytime you're putting large amounts of money in any account, you always want to have a secondary security system. And Google Authenticator works great. If you've never used Google Authenticator before, it's just an app you can download onto your phone. It just looks like this. It gives you the option to set up authentication for numerous websites, so you can have two-factor authentication on Google, on Facebook, on any site you use that you want 2FA on. All you do is you click the little plus button at the bottom of the screen, select Scan QR Code, and then you point that at the QR code on the site that you're wanting to set up two-factor authentication for. That looks like on the screen is you're going to click this bind button, and then this QR code in the middle you're going to point your screen at. You're now going to see Phemex come up at the bottom of your Google Authenticator app, and it's going to give you a 6-digit number that will change every 60 seconds. So you type that number in here. The first time only, it's going to ask you to also do an email verification code. It may ask you to sign in again, and it's going to ask you for the Google Authenticator one more time. So now two-factor authentication is set up and you're ready to go. From this point forward, you will only have to enter the Google Authenticator number once to get into your account or to make withdrawals. So the next thing you'll notice if you click on your account up here is that the account says unverified. Most financial institutions require you to do KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer, and that's so governments can be aware of who's on these financial sites for tax reporting. Most exchanges are now requiring this, so you need to click on this button that says Unverified so that you can go through the verification process. Otherwise, you're going to be getting blocked at various points throughout the site because you're not a verified user. At this point, we've done step one. We've registered an account. We've done the security verification and adding Google Authenticator. We still need to fund the account, which I'll deal with in a separate video. Now we need to do identity verification. This is what people are talking about when they talk about KYC. So you click on the ID and face verification button. They'll ask you to choose which document you're uploading. You'll have to select your country of origin. One thing you'll notice, if you choose certain countries, the document type that you've chosen may not be supported on this site. So if you're running into problems here, you need to back up and choose a different document site for your KYC. You will have to continue to the phone at some point, so I recommend that you just do that right at the outset. It does make the process easier. They're going to ask you to take photos of your documents on your phone, and that will automatically upload them. So you click Get Secure Link. You can just point your phone's camera at the QR code, and it will give you a scan option that allows you to scan ID. Once your ID is uploaded, it's just a matter of waiting. It usually takes up to 48 hours, and then your site will simply show up as verified, and then you're good to go. So thanks for supporting the channel with the thumbs up, the subscribe, and clicking the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.